Welcome to part 4 of our custom DIY dog kennel. We brought all of our materials inside for the next part of the project. We'll be assembling the top, bottom, back, and exterior sides of the dog kennel, making them as sturdy as possible so that it can support the butcher block top. Once this is completed, we'll add a center divide. Even though we have one dog that's larger than the other, we'll be putting the center divide directly in the center to make it more visually pleasing and also to make it more sturdy. Once this is all complete, we'll be putting scratch pads on the bottom and then moving it into place so that we can finish working on the front part of the dog kennel and adding the doors. Come back for part 5. Thanks for watching. Bye.